Welcome to D2L Grades for Students. In this video, we will talk about viewing your grades in your course, why did I start with an F grade, and who to talk about my grade. So let's get started. In your grades, you can get there by accessing your course, and you can view it on the Navbar by clicking Grades. It's important to note that not all courses will have the same structure for your gradebook. So, what you see in one course, you may actually not have that same setup in the other course, even by the same instructor. So, in this course, you can see that the gradebook has been completed. Each assignment has been received, and each quiz has been received for the students. If you open up a gradebook and you see a course that has a whole bunch of Fs and you haven't even submitted an assignment yet, that just means that your instructor has set that up with that specific setting. Do not panic. Your grades, once you start earning them, will allow you to see this change and they continue to grow. If you have any questions regarding your grades, please talk to your instructor directly. And that is all there is to viewing your grades within D2L. Thanks for watching.